Annie was warned. On Halloween night, Annie sneaked out to the creepy old Montgomery mansion. Annie's parents told her not to go. It's got bats, they warned. Bats don't scare me, Annie said. Annie's big sister said she should stay away. Full of those creepy spiders, she cautioned. I like spiders, Annie smiled. Annie's friend James nodded. That place is haunted, all right, he said with a shudder. But then he grinned. I dare you to go. Annie was warned. But Annie wasn't scared. She stole down the quiet street. The moon was shining and the wind was howling. The tall trees swayed in the breeze, but Annie wasn't afraid of anything. After all, she was born on Halloween night. Out of the corner of her eye, she saw something black fly by. Was it a bat? But there was only a cat licking its paw. Annie turned the corner and crept across the churchyard. Something tickled the back of her neck. Was it a spider? Annie spun around. It was just the leaves falling from the trees. The mansion loomed large in the night. Annie thought she heard whispers. Was it haunted? Annie took a deep breath and began to climb the stairs. Surprise! Happy birthday, Annie! It was the best scare she'd ever had.